Hi everyone, in this video we would be learning about how you can write to binary files. So let's first understand why you might want to write to binary files. Binary files tend to be a little more secure because they cannot be accessed directly from any text editor because they need special decoding and encoding. So for example, this data.txt file, somebody can just click on it and the data would be right there, visible to them. But binary files, on the other hand, you need special tools to access them, so not everybody can open them. But somebody who is determined to can absolutely do that, but they tend to be a little more secure, and it's a neater way of organizing things. So let's understand how you deal with binary files. So you might remember we have keywords such as WB and RB to deal with binary files. These are the modes that we use. And binary files cannot be dealt with Python. By Python by default. So we have to use a module called pickle. This is used to deal with binary files. And binary files can only accept dictionaries and they return dictionaries. So pickle has two functions that we would need to learn. The first one being load and the second one being dump. So load and dump are the two functions that we would be dealing with. Load is used to read. This is the reading function. And dump is the one which is used to write. So let's get right into the programming. Let's say that you have a phone book. I'm just going to create a dictionary. I'm not taking any user input. And a person A has a phone number 1. A person B has a phone number 2. And a person C has a phone number 3. So I have just created a phone book. This would obviously be created with a user's input, but I'm just hard coding it right now because I just need to teach you the fundamentals. And I'll just import pickle. Pickle is also a bundled module which comes with Python, so you would not need to specifically install this one also. So I have imported pickle here, and we would have to open the file first. So I'll say with open, and we'll first write to the file. We'll write all the data to the file, and then we would learn how you can read from that. With open, and I'll say files slash phonebook dot dat. Dat is a binary file format, or you can use bin, anything you like, as in mode W plus as binary file. I'm just writing bin. Pickle dot dump. And here you need to pass two things. The first one is the dictionary and the second is the name of the file. So dictionary is phone book and the name of the file is binary, the one which we've opened here. And this thing can only be done with the file which is opened. And let's save it and python3 main.py, and you see a phonebook.dat file has been created. So let me show you how the file looks like. I'll go to my desktop, Python course, files, phonebook.dat, and I'll try to open it with Notepad. Where is Notepad? Notepad. And you see this is how the data looks like. This is not human friendly at all. You cannot understand what this means. But Python can read that data and tell us what it is. So let's open the file in this code. So I'll just get rid of it, or I'll just comment it. Control plus slash is the shortcut to comment selected piece of code. So I'll say, okay, I do need pickle, so I'll uncomment that line. And I would open the file with open files slash phonebook dot dat in RB mode now, because now we need to read, and I'll import it as bin again. Pickle dot load, and then we just need to pass the name of the file, and that is bin in our case. And I would catch this thing into a variable called data, and then we can just print data. Now if I run again, you see it has returned this thing here, and this is all the data which we had entered. Now let's see what is the type of the data that it returns. If I wrap this inside type, you see it is of class dictionary. So all the data which is returned is of the type dictionary. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would see you in the next one. Goodbye.